I open my eyes in the morning.
I open my eyes in the morning.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I turn off my alarm clock.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I make coffee or tea.
I make coffee or tea.
I read the news on my phone.
I read the news on my phone.
I pack my bag for work.
I pack my bag for work.
I leave my house.
I leave my house.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I catch the bus to work.
I catch the bus to work. I arrive at work or school.
I arrive at work or school.
I greet my coworkers or classmates.
I greet my coworkers or classmates.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I attend a meeting.
I attend a meeting.
I answer phone calls.
I answer phone calls.
I type on my keyboard.
I type on my keyboard.
I eat lunch in the cafeteria.
I eat lunch in the cafeteria.
I talk to my friends during lunch.
I talk to my friends during lunch.
I drink water from my bottle.
I drink water from my bottle.
I organize my papers.
I organize my papers.
I finish my homework.
I finish my homework.
I study for an exam.
I study for an exam.
I discuss a project with my team.
I discuss a project with my team.
I write a report for my boss.
I write a report for my boss.
I turn off my computer.
I turn off my computer.
I clean my desk.
I clean my desk.
I leave the office or school.
I leave the office or school. I go to the supermarket.
I go to the supermarket.
I buy fresh fruits and vegetables.
I buy fresh fruits and vegetables.
I carry my shopping bags.
I carry my shopping bags.
I walk back home.
I walk back home.
I cook lunch in the kitchen.
I cook lunch in the kitchen.
I clean the dishes after eating.
I clean the dishes after eating.
I take a short nap.
I take a short nap.
I read a book on the sofa.
I read a book on the sofa.
I water the plants in the garden.
I water the plants in the garden.
I play with my pet in the yard.
I play with my pet in the yard. I go for a run in the park.
I go for a run in the park.
I do yoga in my living room.
I do yoga in my living room.
I lift weights at the gym.
I lift weights at the gym.
I ride my bike around the neighborhood.
I ride my bike around the neighborhood.
I stretch my muscles after exercising.
I stretch my muscles after exercising.
I drink water to stay hydrated.
I drink water to stay hydrated.
I take a shower after working out.
I take a shower after working out.
I wear clean clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I rest on the sofa.
I rest on the sofa.
I watch a fitness video online.
I watch a fitness video online. I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I talk to my family at the dinner table.
I talk to my family at the dinner table.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen.
I watch TV in the living room.
I watch TV in the living room.
I play video games with my friends.
I play video games with my friends.
I listen to music on my headphones.
I listen to music on my headphones.
I check my social media accounts.
I check my social media accounts.
I reply to messages on my phone.
I reply to messages on my phone. I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I read a book in bed.
I read a book in bed.
I turn off the lights in my room.
I turn off the lights in my room.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I lie down on my bed.
I lie down on my bed.
I close my eyes and relax.
I close my eyes and relax.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep. I wake up later on weekends. I wake up later on weekends.
I go to the park with my friends. I go to the park with my friends. I visit my family in another city. I visit my family in another city.
I clean my house. I clean my house.
I do laundry. I do laundry. I hang my clothes to dry. I hang my clothes to dry.
I bake a cake in the oven. I bake a cake in the oven.
I watch a movie at the cinema. I watch a movie at the cinema.
I take a long walk by the beach. I take a long walk by the beach.
I visit a museum in the city. I visit a museum in the city.
I drink a glass of orange juice. I drink a glass of orange juice.
I send an email to my teacher.
I send an email to my teacher. I draw pictures in my notebook.
I draw pictures in my notebook.
I organize my bookshelf.
I organize my bookshelf. I write in my diary.
I write in my diary. I talk to my neighbor.
I talk to my neighbor.
I feed my cat or dog.
I feed my cat or dog. I call my best friend.
I call my best friend. I smile when I see something funny.
I smile when I see something funny. I relax with a cup of tea in the evening.
I relax with a cup of tea in the evening.